I'm Anastasia Chatzka. I'm a fashion designer, pattern maker, and sewing educator, and I'm so happy you're here sewing along with me today. Hey you guys, so today I have a really fun new product to share with you. We got a heat press in the studio and I want to show you how it works. Whoa, it is ready to go, and it lets you know when it is ready to go. But anyways, so we got a new heat press and I'm super excited to try it out. And I'm sure a lot of you have been wondering, do I want a heat press in my studio? Do I want to add one to my craft room? Well, watch this video and see what you think about the heat press. I feel like the heat transfer machine is all the rage right now. They're all over the craft stores, right? So what can you do with them? You can do so many different things with them. You can do t-shirts, you can do any textile really. Today, we are gonna be doing tote bags. You can do plates, you can do mugs. There are just endless possibilities as to what you can use the heat press on and for. You can even print your own designs on your home printer as long as you switch out the inks. Now, how cool would it be to design your own textile? So cool. I am dying to do that. But first, let's try out the heat transfer machine on some tote bags. So what are you going to heat transfer now that you have the heat transfer machine? Well, you need some designs. Like I said before, you can get some ink to put it in your printer and get some special paper and print any design you want out at home on your home printer. So cool. I cannot wait to try that one. I'm thinking my face, just like on everything, right? Awesome. Not awesome, but would be funny. So anyways, you can get them online at Amazon, Joann's, Michael's, I don't know, whatever craft store you like going to or online retailer, you can definitely buy pre-made heat transfers. You can also design your own and send them to a company, which we did for our tote bags. So we have some Sew Anastasia transfers here that we are going to be transferring to some tote bags today. And these are awesome because they are pink. Duh, I love pink. And our tote bags are bright yellow, best colors ever. So if you're gonna be using the heat transfer for tote bags or towels or textiles or t-shirts, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have this attachment here on it. And it swings out 360 degrees all the way around in a circle, which is great for getting all of your projects into it. You're also gonna have to set your temperature. Now there's gonna be some recommended temperatures in the guide, so make sure you follow those recommended temperatures. So when you are ready to start using the heat transfer machine, you wanna let it heat up for a while, and then you wanna go ahead and hit the play button. When you hit the play button, the set button is gonna start blinking. And what it's gonna do is start raising the temperature to the max temperature. Now, how do you know when it's ready to go? Well, it's gonna make this very loud beeping noise. So we're gonna wait for it to beep at us very, very loudly, and then we know we are good to go. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tote bag and my transfer decal in there. So I'm gonna swing the arm out all the way over here so it is nowhere near me because it is hot and we do not want burns. I burned myself with a steamer the other day on my leg because I had shorts on when I was steaming. And well, that hurt a lot. So let's not burn ourselves again today. So I'm going to position my design on my tote bag here. It could be a t-shirt, towel, fabric, whatever it is you're doing. You wanna make sure that you have these layers here of foam that it came with so that way it doesn't leave a weird indent in your fabric and it protects everything. So now that I have it right where I want it, I'm gonna swing it back over. So I'm in the position and I am ready to go. We are just waiting for it to heat up 20 more degrees and then we are gonna wait for that giant beep. So until then, let's think of some more creative ideas that we can use the heat press with. I think I would like to do a border print on a dress for holiday. How fun would that be to design custom images and put them on the border of a dress or a skirt? That could be really fun to design your own textile. I love designing textiles. And then I could add some beads or some sequins or some extra embellishments to it. After I heat press it, we could get real creative with this. We're ready. Did you hear that beep? We are so ready. So now we are going to pull it down, push down the lever. Big push, He-Man strength. Go ahead and hit play. And now your timer is going to count down 20 to 0. And then when it beeps again, we are done. Well, I think it beeps again. Maybe we have to watch it. I forget. I'm new to this, still not a pro at it. 3, 2, 1. 0 and beep, we did it. Okay, so now we know we need to pull this up. Okay, He-Man strength just a little bit. I think I need to work out at the gym a little bit more. We are going to swing that away and we are gonna pull this off. Now you don't wanna remove your transfer right away. You wanna let it cool down. So set it off to the side, let it cool down, and let's go ahead and let's prep another one. Why not, right? We got it all set up. So let's prep and push and transfer and transfer and transfer. It's like a workout video. Okay, I'm gonna swing it back over. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my play button, telling it that I want it to heat up to the max so that way we can press. So we're gonna give this about 60 seconds, let it cool down before we peel it off. If you peel it off too soon, it could peel off part of your design. Whew, we don't want that. That would be bad. But I've got one here that is cooled down, so let's go ahead and peel it off. So we're gonna cross our fingers and peel, and we did it. So now we have our heat transfer on our tote bag. So cool, right? So all my students in class get these every time they sign up for a class, so that way they can carry their things to sewing class and their Sewing Anastasia tote bag, and then they can join us on YouTube and watch the videos with you guys. So fun, right? So we're doing another one, and we are just waiting for the machine to heat up again. So we are almost there. Excellent, it is letting us know we are ready. So we've got it all positioned, and now we can go ahead, put it down, He-Man strength, and hit play. And there we go. Our timer is off, and it is gonna let us know when we are all done. So it is that easy. All you need to do is heat it up, line up everything, really important to line up everything, and then go ahead, hit play, pull it down, wait for it to beep at you, and that's it. And then you have your transfers and you have your products. This is so cool. I love it. This could be dangerous, right? Creatively dangerous is what I mean. Because there's endless possibilities, and I'm just gonna wanna make so many different things. So this is really cool. I love having a heat press in the studio. It's really fun. I can't wait to explore this more. And the best part is, it is super easy to use. It is like a no-brainer. Once you do it a few times, you just kind of get in a rhythm, in a roll, and well, what do you know? Maybe you're gonna have your own Etsy store with your face all over things. How cool would that be? Now there's an idea. I hope you guys enjoyed this new product that I brought into the studio today. It's super fun and has creative, endless possibilities. And remember, it also has different attachments that you can put on it for hats and plates and mugs and all kinds of things. So you can put your face all over everything, of course, right? Holiday gifts for everyone, endless possibilities. Anyways, it's really fun to share it with you. I love having this in the studio. I would love to know what you guys think of the heat press, or what kind do you have at home. I would love to hear your thoughts on them and your experiences using them, or what creative ideas do you have for the heat press, because the heat press is not just for t-shirts anymore, it is for endless creativity. Also, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description, so if you wanna check out the heat press that I got, you totally can. And you can read up on it on your own as well. Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video today, give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what you think of the heat press. Also, if you're not already a follower to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Also, make sure you check me out on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and TikTok and all those other social media websites, so that way we can stay connected and creative together. And I would love to hear about your creative ideas for the heat press machine. So leave that down below in the comments too. And don't forget, I now teach sewing classes and other design classes in my studio here in Chicago, Illinois. And you can check those out at sewinganastasia.com. And I also teach them virtually for everyone that doesn't live in Chicago. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.